Hi. Are you looking for the best cheap walk-behind lawn mower? Walk-behind mower model are often the best lawnmower for the money. We have spent numerous hours researching hundreds of user reviews to find the best model. Our final rankings based on performance and their budget-friendly price point. So, if you choose from this model, you can be sure that you buy a great product. Number 5.
Of innovation. Introducing the BLACK+DECKER 3-in-1 compact mower, powered by the 20-volt max interchangeable lithium-ion battery system. The 3-in-1 with its revolutionary deck design quickly and easily converts from a mower to a trimmer, featuring a power drive transmission for getting those trimming and edging jobs done fast. The complete solution for smaller lawns. BLACK+DECKER 3-in-1 compact mower.
And these are our editor ratings for this product. Number 4.
A 17-inch electric lawnmower and mulcher from Sunjoe. With a powerful 13-amp electric motor, mowing your grass with Mojo means no more messy gas, oil, or toxic carbon emissions. Now your lawnmower can be as green as the grass it cuts. Starting the Mojo is easy. Simply press and hold the safety button while pulling back on the bar lever and the motor starts instantly. Equipped with a durable steel blade, Mojo cruises through your lawn, leaving behind 17-inch trails of groomed green. And its rugged, all-terrain wheels make it easy to maneuver in and out of tight spaces. Set the grass cutting height of your mower with the 7-position height adjustment lever, which can handle short and tall grass blades from 0.98 inches up to 2.87 inches. The 12-gallon rear bag provides ample capacity for uninterrupted mowing and detaches easily to quickly dispose of grass clippings. Plus, you can easily convert your Mojo lawnmower into a mulching mower by removing the rear bag and inserting the mulch plug. Now, the freshly cut, nutrient-rich grass clippings will recycle back into your lawn for fertilization as you mow. And when you're done mowing, the handles on the Mojo can be completely collapsed, so you can neatly store it without taking up much space in your garage or shed. The Mojo is backed by a full 2-year warranty and is ETL approved. Whether mulching or mowing, the Mojo MJ403E delivers the reliable performance you and your lawn can depend on every time. Mojo from Sunjoe. Get equipped.
And these are our editor ratings for this product. Number 3.
Mojo MJ501M 18-inch manual reel mower with grass catcher from Sunjoe. No gas, no oil or electricity. Weighing just 28 pounds, Mojo is an easy-to-use, lightweight, and maneuverable mower. Mojo has an 18-inch wide cutting path and a 9-position adjustment lever to tailor the length of your lawn up to 2.5 inches for the right height every time. Mojo's sleek dual-wheel design and 5 razor reel steel blades ensure a crisp, clean cut with each pass for a picture-perfect lawn you'll love. The MJ501M comes equipped with a 6.6-gallon rear collection bag to neatly catch all the clippings for the ultimate and eco-friendly convenience. A non-slip grip ensures precise control and wicks away moisture for maximum comfort and control. The Sunjoe Mojo is maintenance-free and comes with a full 2-year warranty to ensure reliability season after season. For a perfectly simple and simply perfect way to maintain your lawn, go with Joe. The Mojo MJ501M 18-inch manual reel mower with grass catcher from Sunjoe. Get equipped.
And these are our editor ratings for this product. Number 2. MJ400E electric lawnmower from Sunjoe. Powered by a robust 12-amp motor, MJ400E delivers the performance of a gas machine with the convenience of an eco-friendly electric, with no fumes, fuss, or costly tune-ups. MJ400E's durable steel blade cuts a 13-inch wide, precise path on each pass. Simply plug in, power up, press the trigger, and mow. And Sunjoe's 3-position manual height adjustment system lets you customize the cut to suit your yard. MJ400E is the easy-to-use electric mower that's perfect for small lawns. Lightweight at just 22 pounds, the Sunjoe mower is easy to maneuver around corners and in tight spaces where bulky mowers just can't cut it. The detachable 9.2-gallon grass bag with built-in indicator flap catches the clippings as you mow for quick and easy disposal after the job's done. And every MJ400E comes backed by Sunjoe's complete 2-year warranty. So ditch the gas and cut the grass with the MJ400E electric lawnmower from Sunjoe. Get equipped. And these are our editor ratings for this product.